Good morning and welcome to the CommexFX weekly outlook on Monday, March 2nd. The euro declined 0.15% against the US dollar and closed at 1.1194. The euro pared back gains against the dollar on Friday after data showed that the US economy expanded modestly in the final 3 months of 2014, supporting expectations for higher interest rates. The pair is expected to find support at 1.1109, and the fall-through could take it to the next support level of 1.1022. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 1.1349, and the rise-through could take it to the next resistance level of 1.1502. In the week ahead, Friday's US employment report will be closely watched, while Thursday's European Central Bank monetary policy meeting will also be in focus. The British pound declined 0.21% against the US dollar and closed at 1.5437. The pound moved higher against the dollar on Friday and hit fresh 7-year highs against the euro at the end of a volatile week of trading. Other reports showed that the US pending home sales rose to a 1.5-year high in January, and consumer sentiment also remained strong. The pair is expected to find support at 1.5324, and the fall-through could take it to the next support level of 1.5214. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 1.5549, and the rise-through could take it to the next resistance level of 1.5664. The US dollar strengthened 0.13% against the Japanese yen and closed at 119.56. The dollar ticked higher against the yen on Friday after better-than-expected data on US fourth quarter growth reinforced expectations for higher interest rates. The pair is expected to find support at 118.80, and the fall-through could take it to the next support level of 118.06. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 120.07, and the fall-through could take it to the next resistance level of 120.60. In the week ahead, Friday's US employment rate will be closely watched, while central banks in Australia, Canada and the UK and the Eurozone are all to hold monetary policy meetings. The Australian dollar declined 0.44% against the US dollar and closed at 0.7808. The Australian dollar moved away from a 1-month high against its US counterpart on Friday as traders mulled the timing of a Federal Reserve rate hike after data showed that the US economy expanded modestly in the last quarter of 2014. The pair is expected to find support at 0.7728, and the fall-through could take it to the next support level of 0.7643. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 0.7906, and the rise-through could take it to the next resistance level of 0.7999. In the week ahead, investors will be focusing on the outcome of a policy meeting of the Reserve Bank of Australia on Tuesday, which is to be followed by the US jobs report for February on Friday. Gold prices traded higher by 0.41% against the US dollar at $1209.80. Gold ended higher for the third consecutive session on Friday as traders pushed back expectations for the timing of the first US rate hike followed comments made by the Federal Reserve Chairwoman Janet Yellen earlier in the week. The pair is expected to find support at 1204.16, and the fall-through could take it to the next support level of 1198.63. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 1217.56, and the rise-through could take it to the next resistance level of 1225.43. CommexFX is now offering a new application. Download the brand new CommexFX TradeMate app right now and receive daily market information, suggested market directions to trade on, highlighted best trading options and more, covering a wide range of markets including energy, metals, indices and forex among others. Trade easily, trade successfully. For more information on CommexFX TradeMate app, kindly visit our main website www.commexfx.com. Stay in the know by liking us on Facebook, following us on Twitter and Instagram, circling us on Google+, and of course, subscribing to our YouTube and CommexFX TV channels. Have a great trading day.